Welcome to another Alex Geometry Topic video, instructional video by Mr. Hardy. In this video, we're going to look at finding an angle measure for a triangle with an extended side. So here's a triangle, and then here's the extended side. It extends out. Okay, so there's two properties that we're going to use to solve this. What we want to do is we want to find x, but we haven't been given this angle right there. We don't know that. If we knew it, what we know is the sum of the angles is 180. Okay, so up here, one of the formulas that we know, if we had, let's just say we had a triangle, and this is A, B, and C, we know that A plus B plus C in degrees equals 180 degrees. Okay, we know that. That's a given. Okay, then the other thing, another property that we know, and I'm going to start with a circle. If we draw a circle, use your imagination. That's supposed to be a circle. Doesn't look very good, but assume it is. So if we go all the way around the circle, we travel 360 degrees. Okay? So I'm going to break this apart. Let's say that on this line we only travel halfway. Well, then instead of going 360 degrees, we only go halfway. So half of 360, okay, so 360 divided by 2 is 180. So this is 180 degrees. One way to check is that this is 90 plus 90 is 180. Okay? So we're going to use this information and this information and tie them together. So here we see a line. Think of this as a line. Okay? This angle plus this angle, whatever it is, has to equal 180. So right now let's just call this y. So y plus 124 has to equal 180. Okay, so we can cheat. Let's just, well, I'll do it two ways. First, I won't cheat. I subtract 124 minus 124 to both sides. So I'm using algebra. So y equals, I got 10. 10 take away 4 is 6. 6. And this is a 7. So 7 take away 2 is 5. So 56. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So now we know that, let me get my eraser over here and erase this. Now we know that this angle right here is 56. Okay? So now we know that the sum, we use this part now, the top part. We know that x plus 69 plus 56 equals 180. Okay, so let's see, 56 and 69. 6 plus 9 is 15, so 125. I get 125, so x plus 125 equals 180. So subtract 125 minus 125. I get x equals 80, take away 20 is 60, take away 5 more, it should be 55. Let's see. 10, take away 5 is 5. 7, take away 2 is 5. So x equals 55. So now we know that this is 55 degrees. Okay, so that's what we do. Let's do one more real quick. All right, on this one I'm going to cheat. I'm going to be a cheater on this one. We know that 135 plus whatever this is equals, let's call it y for right now. I like that. Let's just call this angle y. So we know that 135 plus y equals 180. So we just subtract, right? 135 from both sides. Okay, and so I'm going to cheat. Here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to pull up this thing right here. It's called a calculator. And I go 180 minus 135 equals 45. Okay, so now I know that this angle is 45. So now I know that 56 plus 45 plus x, plus x equals 180. So I'm going to add these two right here, and I'm going to cheat. I'm going to say clear 56 plus 45 equals 101. 101 plus x equals 180. And now I'm going to subtract 101 from both sides. You probably should be able to do this in your head, but it's clear enough. We just use a calculator. 180 minus 101, and we get 79. 79. So this angle x should be 79 degrees. So let's just check real quick. Clear 79 plus 56 plus 45 equals 180. Okay, so the check isn't important, but also 180 take away 45 equals 135. So everything checks out. You don't have to do the check, but if you're taking a test and you want to get everything right, it doesn't hurt. Okay, good luck with this problem, this topic.